Welcome to the vlog. Quick OOTD. I have my new bag and shoes on. So the most ridiculous thing happened this morning, which is that मेरा blow dryer जल गया. Now in theory I know this because I've seen my mom do this कि जब वो बाल blow dry करती हैं, वो एक strand blow dry करती है, then she takes a break and blow dry off करती हैं और उसको side पे रखती हैं. And I've asked her why do you do this, and she said I do it ताकि blow dryer जल नहीं जाए. So in theory I knew this. In reality I was like, who needs to do this, you know, waiting is for losers. So if I'm blow drying my hair for 10 minutes, I just keep it on for 10 minutes, and then finally today it gave up and it burned, and I thought abhi matlab jalne ki smell aa rahi hai, but it's fine, 5 minutes mein theek ho jayega. But no, it's burnt. So I blow dried one side of my hair, straightened the other. Then the other annoying thing that happened was I never wash my makeup brushes ever. So I was like chalo raat ko ke makeup brushes dho lete hain, without realizing ki wo subah tak सूखेंगे nahi. So obviously the brushes were wet. Now everything else I can do with my fingers, but for foundation I need like some kind of tool. एक fungus ज़्यादा sponge कहीं से निकला. So then what I did was the bottom half that had fungus, I just cut it, and I hope कि जो upper half है उसमें fungus नहीं थी. And that's how I did this lovely makeup look. I am freezing, like literally रोंगटे खड़े हुए हैं, but dedication to fashion is so strong that I didn't bring a jacket. Also fashion के चक्कर में full मेरी तो आज कुल्फी जमी है because I did not have the good sense to wear a jacket. I saw it's sunny and I was like, okay, we'll be in summer vibes today. Turns out it's not summer yet. Back in the same spot. Anyway, I wanted to let you know that this dress is available to order on Ladurée. For those that don't know, that is mine and Leila's little clothing brand. So if you like the dress, I will leave the link below. Also, the most ridiculous things happened this morning. Firstly, I did not realize कि makeup brush कितनी देर में सूखते हैं. So I washed them last night for like the first time in my life. And when I woke up in the morning, they were still wet. So बाकी सब कुछ तो उंगलियों से कर लिया, but I needed something for foundation. So I looked through my drawers and I found a sponge. And when मैंने उसको गीला किया, I realized उस पे fungus लगी हुई है. तो मैंने नीचे का पार्ट फंगस वाला काटा, एंड ऊपर में I hope फंगस नहीं थी because it's on my face now. And today's amazing look is brought to you by lots of fungus on my face potentially. And then my blow dryer died. Basically वो जल गई उसकी मोटर वोटर, क्योंकि मैं उसमें I was doing one strand and then just leaving it on and not taking a break. And I know कि ये मेरी अम्मी हमेशा कहती हैं कि like off क्या करो वरना जल जाता है. And I was like, I'm a risk taker, who cares? And now it's dead. So I need to figure out if I can get that fixed. Professional levels देखिए कि मतलब mic है मेरे पास, इसका manual Chinese में है, so I'm not sure if it works or not. I think it does. Anyway, I am at Schloss Charlottenburg, which is the palace in Berlin. It's the biggest one, I think. And I'm here to take some pictures with a friend. The outfit I'm wearing is a surprise, so maybe I shouldn't. I will show you because I like to overshare. Anyway, I'm just waiting for my friend to get here and then we're gonna start taking the pictures. I came home and just crashed on the sofa. Why do I have this? Anyway, I wonder if other people who use a lot of public transport, they do this, but like I don't like कि जो मेरे train clothes हैं वो मैं घर में पहनूं. So I come home and I immediately change. But the thing is, I never change into like normal, you know, घर के कपड़े जो होते हैं. I always change into my pajamas. And then everyone thinks I never change my clothes, but the reality is I do change them. It's just like if I'm at home, somehow I'm always in my pajamas. Something is very wrong with this side of my face. Okay, no, Maybe it's just the shape of my face and I never noticed before. We'll hide it. Oh my god, looks so weird. So update, I have swelling on my face which is making it difficult to talk. I don't know what caused the swelling. I've never had it before and that's why my face looks so round. I'm just icing it and I took some pill and I don't feel great. But it's okay. It's probably allergy and it'll be fine in a while. Because I'm a classy, educated, intellectual gal, what I'm watching tonight is Teen Mom 2. Oh guys, what's gonna happen with the swelling? Good morning and hello from Dresden. My face is still swollen, but there's nothing I can do about it. So I've just come here for the day. This is a lovely city, and the sad thing is a lot of it was destroyed in the Second World War, but they've rebuilt pretty much all of it exactly how it looked before. This is the old town area of the city and it's beautiful. I'm trying to vlog, लेकिन जो जलने वाले हैं वो जल रहे हैं. So I will see you guys later. Swelling update is that it is getting worse. The only thing I can think is that the sun is causing it. पता नहीं, मगर बोलने में मुझे अब बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है. And the funny thing is, my husband doesn't see it. He's like, तुम ऐसी होती हो, but काफी ज़्यादा है. So I will probably not talk anymore for the rest of this vlog. किसने नजर लगाई मेरे vlog को? I'm now heading back to Berlin. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.